We're going to start off with plastic ornaments. I get these ornaments 24 in a pack for $20 at Hobby Lobby. Also, don't forget to use the 40% off coupon. You'll also need polyacrylic. I get this from Walmart in the paint section. I pour the polyacrylic in this container to make it easier to pour. I get this container from Dollar Tree. Cups to put your ornaments in to let them dry. You'll also need glitters of any colors. Faux snow that I get from Dollar Tree, which is optional, and a variety of colors of permanent vinyl. Remove the silver piece from the ornament. Pour the polyacrylic into the ornament. And swirl the polyacrylic all around until it is evenly covered. If you need a little bit more polyacrylic, go ahead and pour it, but do not pour too much or you'll get streaks. Once the ornament is covered, I allow the excess polyacrylic to drip back into the polyacrylic container. Now we're going to place it inside of our cup to let the excess drip for a little bit before we add our glitter. Repeat this step with all of your ornaments. Now we're going to add our glitter. I needed a funnel, but I did not have one, so add your glitter the best way you know how to add your glitter. Swirl your ornament until your glitter is evenly covered. Pour the excess remaining back into your glitter container. Repeat this process with all the other colors. I've already created my images in Design Space. I'm going to cut them and layer them. If you want a video on how I cut and layer vinyl, let me know down in the comment section below. I got my transfer paper from Family Dollar for about $3. It has lasted me a very long time. The trick to working with round surfaces such as the ornaments is to focus solely on the vinyl letters and not the transfer paper. Also, if you cut slits around your transfer paper, it'll lay better. Repeat this process with all the other colors. This step is completely optional, but I'm going to quickly show you guys how I make sublimation ribbon. This way you can customize your ribbon to go with any ornament that you make. The ribbon size that I'm using is 3/8 of an inch. I create my designs in Design Space. I'm taping the ribbon to the design as shown, and we're going to press it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. This is a great way to get super personal. So if you want to make designs that suits your family and your Christmas tree this year, then hey, you can get as custom and creative as you wish. Add the top pieces back to your ornaments. You can use the ribbon to make a bow, or you can use the ribbon to just hang the ornament to the tree. Either one. I am not a great ribbon tyer, so don't laugh. Another option is to take an ornament and add your faux snow. That way it'll look like a snow globe. Add your ribbon to the top, and hey, now you have a set.